So welcome you all. Today we are going to do the analysis of absorber plate which is used in case of solar water heating system. So first of all go to the workbench. So depending on whatever the version you are using, accordingly it will open. So once this is open you will see various things like analysis system, second one component system, out of which we are interested in doing the analysis. So you can take transient thermal analysis option here. First of all, go to the design modular geometry. Select on any one of the plane so that this plane will be visible. Next, select the units. Now select the units first. So we have specified centimeter. Now I'm going to create a primitive, a box type of arrangement. Z component I am taking 50. Just check it out X, Y and Z. So whatever the direction you want your object, accordingly you can do. Y component I am taking as a 1 centimeter. Then X component I am taking as a 30 centimeter. So this is how the object has been. Wireframe model you can see. Make it add to frozen so that the object will look like a transparent one. Then make it generate. So the object has been created. Now let's move to the next part. One more time, create a primitive, that is cylinder. Check how it is looking. So we have to change the dimension. Say I am taking somewhere around 1 centimeter. Okay. Sorry, I will take it 0.4 over here. Specify Z component. Say I am saying 50. You can just check it out. Now it's time to take this Y coordinate. So 0.5. So half of that it will come out. We'll just check it out here. Now you want this object at some distance, so I will specify X, that is 5. So you can just check it out. Here it has come. Here also you can select add to frozen so that it will be visible. Okay, in this case you can make it slice material because later on we want to remove this body. So now go to the delete operation. Now go select this internal cylinder. Make it apply, then it will be generated. So you can see a hole is created or hollow portion is created. Through this the water is going to flow. So in this case we are considering this example as the absorber plate itself have the tube inside. So I am going to create few more tubes like that. For this I need to create pattern. Select the internal surface. Select a suitable direction. Then offset by you can specify 5. Number of you required. Say for example 6. You can see such 6 models has been created over here for your geometry. Okay, make it generate. I can make it 4. Just check it out what change is happening. If I specify 3, it will go down. So whatever the length of the object is there, according to you can prepare. So I just specified 4, so total is 5. Now it's the time to proceed further. So here within the absorber plate itself we are preparing the tubes, so that's why we don't need to go for Boolean operation. So go to the next part, that is model. In model we are going to apply boundary condition also. We are going to specify what the simulation also, what we want to visualize in the simulation. And lastly, we are going to observe the result also. So once this is open, you will see. Okay, so first of all, you will have to mesh. You have to generate mesh. You can click on generate mesh. So it will take some time to generate mesh. So we have taken an arrangement which the absorber plate itself involved a tube. So this is coming in with most of the, we can say, new devices with absorber plates, because the entire surface is absorbing heat. That's why it is better option to have tube inside your absorber. So depending on your system configuration, it take times. We actually not have created a very good mesh, but still for analysis we can use this particular mesh. See, if you want to generate a quite better mesh, it can take time. So I am just going ahead with this mesh itself. So first of all, I am applying temperature. Where I want to apply? I want to apply at the top. I will apply it somewhere around 40 degrees Celsius over here. Then go for the analysis setting. Select your suitable time what we are considering. So I just selected 20 seconds. Next one, what you want to visualize? I want to visualize temperature. So go to solution, specify temperature over here. Where you want to visualize? I want to visualize over the entire length of body. So that's why I selected this. Next thing is to click on solve. So computer will go on to solve this, and after some time you will get the results. So we'll just check it out. I'm just again telling, we are not taken very good mesh. By default mesh, whatever it has been generated, that we have prepared. So I'll just check it out with whatever the results we have got. So carefully observe how the variation in temperature is there. Red zone indicates the higher temperature. So approximately it takes around 10 seconds to achieve the higher temperature. You can make certain modification in your temperature also, so as to visualize in better way. For better visualization, you can do no wireframe. Here you can see. Again, in the analysis setting, you can just take this value to lower value extent, so as to visualize it better way. Again, one more time you have to solve this. We'll just check it out. What happened after 10 seconds? If 40 degrees Celsius are applied at one end, what happens after 40 seconds, that we are going to visualize here. Okay, so this is how the geometry which we are having. Now I will just play one more time. You can see how the temperature variations are taking place. Over here. So as specified earlier as a 20, now I have specified as a 10. So in this way you can just change your values over here. So one more time I'm showing. I'm taking 15 seconds. So what happens after 15 seconds, that we are going to visualize. Okay, just check it out now. See how the red zones are going down. So red zone indicates higher temperature is reaching at the other end. So in this way you can prepare your simulation. You can save the video also by clicking here. One additional thing, if you want a specific temperature at specific point, you can get that, just like here I am getting. If I want temperature inside, you can get the inside temperature also, like the probes which I have selected over here. So in this way you can get the various temperatures on your absorber. So we have taken this absorber plate which is have inbuilt tube inside. So in this way you can do the analysis, you can change the geometry also, and you can do the further analysis on the same. You can save the video by clicking here you can save the video. Thank you.